round of litigation, my lord. Earlier also we have approached before this honorable court against the action of the respondent authorities with regard to the eviction and the sealing of the premises. I have annexed the petition, Annexure P3, page number 29, and that has been allowed with a liberty given to the respondent authorities. My lord, may kindly see page number 36, para number 8.
Yes.
They have been given they were given the liberty to take recourse to law for getting evicted petitioners from rented shops as available under the law. My lord, thereafter they initiated proceeding under the Public Premises Eviction Act. When the proceedings were initiated, my lord, Annexure P5, we raised certain objection with regard to the proceeding. None of the objections have been decided by the authorities by giving any reasoning by the impugned order dated. My lord, may kindly appreciate Annexure P1, page number dated 24/9/2025. And the operative portion starts from the last para of page number 15. We raised an objection that there is the competent authority, the subdivisional officer, is not a competent authority to initiate proceedings as there is no notification with regard to that. And the second objection is that none of the documents have been filed in order to show that the premises belong to the respondent authorities, that they are the title holder or owner of the respondent. The third objection that we have raised is that, my lord, if my lord may kindly appreciate the objection.
Yes.
That I do understand that,
Yes.
my lord, but the difficulty is that we have
No.
invested a lot. To the fact was that, my lord, that if my lord may kindly appreciate Annexure P5, page number 41.
Yes.
That we are not the unauthorized occupants. Despite the fact that the rent agreement has been executed, it was not an unauthorized occupancy with regard to the rent agreement, though the rent agreement was for 20 years. And if my lord may kindly appreciate the operative portion of the order, all these observations have not been decided. At least we should be having any reasoning to that. What they have observed in that is that because we have been desuited by the fifth civil judge class 1, and then in the appeal also we have been desuited, then the proceedings have been initiated. What my contention before this honorable court is that
What was the civil proceedings?
civil proceedings have we have come before the court.
Which is that order?
My lord, that has not been annexed because we have not challenged that
No,
particular
not
portion.
challenge, but what
But-
proceedings was there? What prayer was there?
That on account of the rent agreement, we should be allowed to pursue in that particular premises.
So what ground the suit has been dismissed?
That the rent agreement was for 20 years, and as per the Registration Act, the rent should be owned until and unless it is being registered. It was not registered rent agreement. So if my lord may kindly appreciate that if it is not registered, so it would be applicable only for 1 year, and as per section 106, 107 of the transfer. So that has been desuited by. They did not initiated any proceeding under the execution of that particular. We have been desuited. I agreed and I accept that very fact. So if at all they are
That is your suit. That is your suit.
that is our suit, my lord.
Yes.
But the only contention is that, my lord, if my lord may appreciate that, firstly, the authority doesn't have the competence to decide. There is no, and this point has not been decided by the operative portion of the order. That is the if my lord may consider that very aspect, that this is the point, my lord.
Yes.
And none of the from page number 15 to 16 onwards, the only ground that has been taken is that we have been granted a liberty for initiating proceeding as available under law. And then ये प्रथम दृष्टया स्पष्ट है कि इस न्यायालय को है. That is only ground that I would be raising before this honorable court. I know I have my limitations and all. Section 3 of the Public Premises Act says, my lord,
Yeah, na Public Premises Act.
It will be, Lordship, Chhattisgarh Public Premises Act 1974.
State one.
Chhattisgarh